In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove green screen in Heygen. Whether you're polishing an avatar for a presentation or dropping a spokesperson into a clean layout, removing the green screen is quick once you know where to look. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Heygen. This ensures you land on the official site even if you don't have the exact address handy. In the search results, click the official Heygen link. Take a moment to confirm you're on the genuine site by checking the domain and looking for a secure connection so you avoid any lookalike pages. On the home page, select Sign In. Log into your existing account using your usual method. If you're already signed in, you'll skip straight to the dashboard. From there, click AI Studio. This is the main workspace where you manage avatars and make edits, so everything we need is in this area. Next, choose the avatar you want to edit. You'll see your available avatars and projects. Simply click the one you intend to update. It's helpful to preview the thumbnail so you're sure you're working on the right file, especially if you have multiple versions. Once the avatar loads, look to the right-hand sidebar and click the Avatar section. This panel groups all the avatar-specific controls in one place, which makes adjustments faster and keeps you focused on the current character rather than global project settings. Within that avatar panel, look for Avatar Background. This is the setting dedicated to background handling, including green screen removal. The name may appear as Avatar Background or similar, and it's designed to target the solid green commonly used in production. When you're ready, click Remove. Heygen will process the frame and isolate the subject, clearing out the green so your avatar sits on a transparent or neutral background, depending on the project view. Give it a moment to finish. The preview will refresh automatically. If the edges look especially crisp, that's usually thanks to well-lit footage and a consistent, saturated green. Uneven lighting, shadows, or wrinkles in the backdrop can soften the result, so capturing clean source footage always pays off. That's all there is to it. You searched for Heygen, opened the official site, signed in, entered AI Studio, selected your avatar, opened the avatar panel, found Avatar Background, and clicked Remove. With the green screen gone, your avatar is ready to be placed over any layout or scene you're designing next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with a cleaner, distraction-free look.